Hi everyone, my name is Michael Sherry. I am with Paul Sherry RVs. We're a family-owned RV dealer located in Ohio who does business all across the United States. So if you're unsure of who we are, pause this video and go to Google or just click on one of the links below and type in Paul Sherry RVS. There you'll find our webpage with pictures and pricing of all of our in-stock inventory from the top manufacturers in the industry. And also, before you get to our website, go over to the right and take a look at our reviews. There you'll find real customers of ours who have done business with us and felt compelled that they had a really good experience and left us a really good review, so check those out there. So standing behind me right now, or actually sitting behind me right now, is a brand new 2020 Forest River Alpha Wolf. Now this is what the 2021s are going to look like, so this is what I like to call the 2020 and a half. So right now it's September 2019, and right about this time the manufacturers make their model year change before model year change. So this 2020 is what the 2021s are going to look like, and what's beautiful about this is it's priced like a 2020, not like a 2021. So if you want the newest up-to-date stuff, now's the time to look because they're rolling in, and I'm excited to show you what they've upgraded on this Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf. This is part of the Cherokee family of products, which is the top producing and retail selling manufacturer in the RV industry. So we're excited to have it as a part of our lineup here at Paul Sherry's, and I'm really excited to show this to you. So this Forest River Alpha Wolf is the 26 DBH floor plan. This is the top selling floor plan in the industry. And Alpha Wolf has taken it a step above and added some additional things to their version of this floor plan to make it even a little bit better. So we'll get started. I'll walk around the outside and then we'll walk through the inside to show you what's new for 2020 and a half or 2021, however you want to look at it, and also what Alpha Wolf does a little bit differently. So it all starts up front here with the front cap. The Alpha Wolf uses a 3/4 fiberglass front cap, so all the white is fiberglass. They put blue docking lights, as we can see here. Those aren't stickers, those are actually LED docking lights. And the bottom quarter, they put a diamond plate rock guard, so when you're traveling down the road, your rock's going to hit that and bounce off and not damage the front of your trailer. Also, super aerodynamic front end. They use 20-pound propane bottles up front here that we do fill up when we prep them. And we at Paul Sherry's, we don't have all those crazy fees that a lot of dealers are doing now. Most national dealers and a lot of local dealers are charging you for prep. We do not charge for prep here, and they are prepped by very experienced RV mechanics. Power tongue jack on the front as well, so no more cranking. It's just simply a button that will raise and lower this trailer, and also there's an LED light on it. Coming down more the business side or your hookup side of the camper, you notice a nice gray exterior. This is going to be a laminate construction with 2-inch sidewalls. So the competition uses about 1.5 inch sidewall, but inside the sidewall is going to be your construction, which is aluminum on this. That allows it to be really lightweight, and also block foam insulation. So that insulation provides a noise barrier and also some insulating factors against the extreme hot and extreme cool. Coming in the storage compartment, the first thing that I noticed, because I do this quite a bit, is how big the storage door is. This door is a lot bigger than what the competition uses. And what I also like about these doors is they have the magnetic catch. And they are a single latch door. So if I have my hands full of stuff, I can literally open this up and latch it with one hand. Inside the storage compartment, one thing, I don't think they were doing this just in the earlier 2021s, but this has, I'll show you this on the other side. The light looks pretty cool. I just noticed that, but this entire storage compartment is finished out. I don't see this ever. So usually if I look up, I can see the construction of the trailer, but this entire storage compartment's finished out, which really makes it nice and clean looking. Has the lino on the floor, which is easy to keep clean, and a very nice big bay up here. So I'm excited about that. We have the super slide on this. So this is really going to open it up on the inside, allow a lot of room in the kitchen and living room. Also new for this year is they've added they come prepped from the factory for the slide covers. So that's a nice thing. If you want to add a slide cover, it's very easy to do because basically all the hardware is there. All right, so your hookup station is all going to be in this back corner, which makes it very nice. You have all your water hookup here. You have your cable and satellite hookup, and notice how they're separate. That's how they should be. You have your power hookup, and you also have another good-sized storage compartment here. Your dump station down below here. I do want to point out this is a little bit more of an extended season camping trailer where you can camp in it a little bit earlier in the spring and a little bit later in the fall. In other words, you can camp it in cooler weather. One reason being is the whole underbelly is insulated, and notice you don't see the gate valves up here. They're actually long handles here to release the dump station, and the gate valves are in that insulated compartment, which is really how you have to have it if you're camping in cooler weather. We have the travel rack on the back here. Customers really appreciate this. It doubles as a spare tire mount, as you can see. Check out our website there, paulsherryrvs.com. But also this travel rack. Now this is going to fold down, right? You can put up to 200 pounds of items on it. Bicycles are great for this. I've seen people put their generator on there, or just totes of, I'm not quite sure what's in the totes, but a lot of use for that travel rack there. Notice the rounded roof. It's what we call a crown roof in this industry. That's the way you want your RV to be. You never want to buy a flat roof travel trailer. Also, this comes prepped with a backup monitor, so you can add that if need be. The wiring and casing is all there. All right, so to the fun side, notice we have a nice awning. The awning covers pretty much the whole span of this side, which is really nice and convenient. The awning does tilt from one side to the other, so on a rainy day, kind of like today, it's a little cloudy, we can tilt this and allow the water to run off. Notice 2 entry doors here as well, which really makes it convenient. Particularly on this trailer, this back entry door goes directly into the bathroom, which is nice for the kids, nice for guests that come over and need to use the restroom. You can just shoot them right through this door, and they don't have to track all the way through your camper. Also, if you're up late at night, maybe the kids are sleeping, it's nice to be able to use the restroom without tracking all the way through the camper and waking them up. Also, both entry doors, notice this, they both have the more ride steps to get up into the entry doors. Typically, the secondary door, which would be this door, would still have the cheap RV steps. Alpha Wolf has upgraded this year to provide steps on both entry doors. Also, both entry doors are friction hinge doors. It's a little windy today, and sorry for that noise if it's catching on the microphone, but this door is literally staying put in the wind, and that's the beauty of a friction hinge door. Right behind this door, we have hot and cold water, and it also comes with a black tank flush to clean out that black tank. Directly beside here, you have a mount for your television and 2 speakers here. Those speakers have blue LED lights that light up behind them, and then your appropriate hookups for your television are right there. Notice 2 axles on this. Both axles have the alloy wheels, radial tires, and tire pressure monitor system. So there's really not a lot of things they skimp on the Alpha Wolf trailers. They provide a lot of features, and what I like about it is the price is probably the best amongst the industry. Even amongst trailers that offer so much less in this floor plan, this Alpha Wolf generally beats them on price. So that's awesome. One thing that they are doing that no one else has done that I've seen is added this deluxe mini camp kitchen, which comes with a ice maker off to the left here. You always need ice when you're out camping. A dorm style refrigerator right here, 2 burner gas cooktop, and a little wash pan. So that's really nice. That all folds away. This will come down and packs up very nice. All right, I do want to show you one thing. This looks like a pretty cool light strip in there I noticed on the other side, so I had to see it for myself. I get excited about little stuff like that. All right, let's head inside the trailer. There's been a lot of changes in here. If you've been looking at these trailers, even the 2020s, the earlier 2020s, you'll notice a lot of changes inside. So new linoleum, and the big change is the new wood color, which I absolutely love. It's a lighter brown, even has some gray hues to it. Really lightens it up nice inside this trailer. Goes well with these new blinds. They call these blinds the zebra blinds. Really awesome blinds. And I really think this this really melds well, if that's a word. So, all right, we're going to start in the back of the trailer, work our way forward. So in the back, through this door here, is going to be your bathroom that we saw a little bit from the outside. But this bathroom is going to have a lot in it. It's got the skylight, shower, and tub. So that's a nice feature, have that tub. If you have little kids or pets, nice place to wash them up. Foot flush stool. You have your sink off to the left here with hot and cold water. So this bathroom's all in one. You have your medicine cabinet up here. And then one other thing I'd like to point out, this has what they call the whole attic or whole house, in this case, the whole trailer fan. So this acts like a whole house attic fan. You open that up and it's really going to ventilate not just this bathroom, but this entire trailer, because on top of this door, there's a gap there. So you can open up a window, say in the bedroom, turn that attic fan on, and it's really going to ventilate this whole trailer well. All right, this people love. This is double bunk. So double the size of a normal bunk bed, and there's two of them. Nice space, has a window, has power hookups, both USB, quick charging, and normal. And again, there's two of them. And has a ladder to get up onto the top bunk. All right, now we'll go into the kitchen area. Starts off with this oversized pantry, has a nice door. This is super awesome. You know, a lot of houses don't even have a pantry. It's got a light in here, multiple shelves of storage. That right there is your sink cover. So that's gonna go over the sink. Nice feature there. This is new this year. This is a Furrion 10 cubic foot refrigerator. So in the past, they've used a 6 cubic foot. So we've gained 4 cubic foot of refrigerator space without taking any more physical space in the RV. So this 12-volt refrigerator is really economical. It's going to work. It's working right now. I just have a cheapo jump pack on this that gets the lights turned on, and that fridge is already cold in the time that I've spent just talking to you on this video. So it's going to work while you're traveling down the road. Your pull vehicle is going to provide 12 volt to keep that going. And of course, when you go to your campsite, you either have battery or you're plugged in. So that's always going to work for you. The kitchen area. So it has kind of the black theme of the appliances, has the microwave, range hood, and stovetop here. The stovetop does have this glass cover for extra countertop space. It's an LP 3 burner there, as you can see. And it does have the glass door there so you can see what's inside. Also new this year is the countertops are cool color. The countertops allow this really nice sunk down sink. This is actually what they call black stainless. I'm not sure if the camera's picking this up nice, but I have never seen this before, but it's really popular in homes right now is the black stainless, and that matches the faucet really well. All right, 2 doors are going to lead up to the master bedroom. In the middle is the entertainment system. This is where you're going to hang your television. You notice they provide the mount already to hang your television, and the other end of the mount as well. You have your audio video cables here, your coax and antenna cables, and your power all for that TV. So everything's there. Well, the wires are going to clean up and look very nice. Your radio here, this is going to be your Bluetooth, AM, FM. I'd say about anything you want this to do, it's going to do for you. Down below here is your fireplace. This doubles as a space heater. Really awesome to have on those chilly mornings. And then this little nook down here, I like this. This is a great spot to kick off your shoes and tuck them in there. Okay, we're coming right along. So in the slide out room, which is the U dinette and the couch, really is going to work well here. You notice it has the oversized U dinette that comes down for extra sleeping, and it has the couch as well that comes down for extra sleeping. All right, let's check out the bedroom. So there's 2 entries to the bedroom. This is one. Swinging doors to get in there. Queen bed in here. And it does have room at the foot of the bed, so you can travel around the bed, inside the bedroom, which is nice. You can't always do that in this floor plan. Wardrobes on both sides, and they're mirrored wardrobes, and then cabinetry all above there. So that's the new Alpha Wolf trailer. So let us know what you think. The reason we do these videos is to sell RVs and also show you what's new and exciting out there in the industry. So I hope I achieved that goal today. If you are in the market for an RV, by all means check out our website, give us an opportunity. So thanks for watching. Like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and have an awesome rest of your day.